Hello traders, this is Day Trader Mac coming with another sunny market analysis for the S&P markets. We had a nice buy up all of last week, and right now we are in a resistance area, which we did come into Friday, anywhere from, I want to say 1839. I do have 1837 here, but 1839 up to 1850 is a resistance area. And from here, it will be interesting to see what this market actually does do. Ideally, I'd want to see support between 1825 and 1820. If the market were to break down here and get below this red box I have here, basically at 1800, if the market were to sell down and break below this, I would have to say there's a good shot that we're going to break below 1730s, and that should give us a pretty bearish setup, possibly into the mid 1600s and maybe lower than that, but initially I would say in the mid 1600s is what I would be looking for if this red line were to break down, which is at 1800. Ideally, I'd want to see support right in here, somewhere between 1825 and 1820. If we do get support here, the market can do a couple different things. First off, we do want to watch this 1860 level, because that possibly could be resistance. If it does hold here, I would have to say that we're going to 1900 plus. It's just not going to happen in a day, not going to happen in a week. It's going to take a little bit of time to get there, and that's why I'm trying to play this thing out here. So if we do support here, we want to watch 1860. If it does start to show signs of resistance, 1860 all the way up to 1867. If it does start to show signs of resistance here, then we want to watch 1840 to 42 as support, and then from there we should get a pretty decent buy up. What I do think is if we hold this, we're going to 1900 plus. The real question is, how is the market going to act on the way there? And that's what I'm trying to lay out here. We don't want to see it get back below 1800. It can get a little bit below this box. Ideally, I would like to see it stay at or above, but 1810, 1814, 1813, those are areas that could be support as well. Ideally, would like to see it stay here, and the higher that it does stay, the higher it probably will go, and that's kind of what I'm looking at. So we want to watch this for resistance, this for support, and if it does break down here, it's going to get weak. So that's really what I'm thinking, and we'll see how this week progresses and go from there. So I hope everybody is having an awesome weekend. Have a great President's Day, and I will talk to you next week. Thank you.